Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Logitech G and applying the latest firmware so your sensor and macros behave predictably. Once done, physically clean the sensor and feet. Replace or upgrade PTFE skates to reduce friction. Next, set DPI to the mouse's native sensor value and change polling to 1000 Hz in software so tracking is consistent. Make sure to save a named profile. This initial combo stabilizes performance before deeper physical mods. You'll now reduce mechanical drag and refine sensor behavior. First, convert the cable to a paracord mod or use a lightweight replacement to remove tug. That delivers immediate responsiveness. Then, in G-Hub, lower liftoff distance and set debounce to match your playstyle to avoid jitter or missed clicks. Finally, fit high-quality 100% PTFE skates and pair with a low-friction mousepad so sensor readings stay linear across movements. These steps noticeably improve aim and feel. Finish by calibrating the mouse to your pad and testing in controlled aim drills for at least 30 minutes to lock in settings. Make micro adjustments to in-game sensitivity so wrist movements match cursor distance. Then export profiles and enable onboard memory if you use multiple systems. If you encounter cursor drift or click issues, reclean the sensor, reseat or replace skates, and reinstall firmware. If problems persist, swap USB ports and test another mousepad to isolate hardware versus surface causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.